Welcome to day 5 of this 10-day guitar challenge with me, Andy Crowley, where we are looking at a full song by perhaps the greatest rock band of all time, Led Zeppelin. This is an easy 3-note riff, which we've slightly simplified from the original, but we are going to look at how to play the power chords for the verses, and this is how to play Misty Mountain Hop. It's a fantastic song. Let me know how you find this one in the comments below. You'll find a link to more bonus content at the top of the description, and that is also where you will find the rest of this 10-day program. This is the last video that is going to be on YouTube, but the rest of this course is 100% free at andyguitar.co.uk. The link is at the top of the description. Super easy to find. I really hope to see you over there, guys. Here's the lesson video. This is Misty Mountain Hop. This is by Led Zeppelin, which is why I've got my Les Paul guitar out. This is an Epiphone Les Paul, super beginner one. I put a Seymour Duncan SH1 at the bridge so that it sounds a lot more premium in my opinion. But in this video, we are going to learn a super easy way to play Misty Mountain Hop. The riff is 3 notes, so it couldn't really be simpler, but it does require some dexterity of the fretting hand and indeed your picking hand. So we start off at fret 5 with the ring finger and we play it like this. Then it's the index finger at fret 3 to 0. And we just cycle those 3 notes, but you may find, if you have a go at playing along to the original recording especially, it's got kind of a funny timing to it. It's not all on the beat. It's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. It's kind of funny. So let's work on the mechanics first of all. Let's make sure we can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Make sure we can get to that level first, and that just requires the 3rd finger, the 1st finger, and the pick all being in sync. Together. 5, 3, 0. 5, 3, 0. With the ring finger and index finger hovering over those dotted frets, or the frets with the inlays on them. If in doubt, just make the movement smaller and it will be easier to do faster. The only other thing that's going to happen in the part of the song that we're going for is the A chord. Palm muted, you could even just let it ring out. And we go back to the riff. And then the other thing that happens, it's a D chord to a G in the chorus. So we have these 3 sections. We repeat the main riff. That happens 8 times in the original recording, and then we hit an A power chord, palm mute it, which is these chugs with the outside of the palm of the hand just hitting here. Easier to do on a Les Paul style guitar with a big bridge kind of sticking out of the guitar here. Easier to get that working. And then after that, we go back to the riff. And that takes us through walking in the park just the other day, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crowds of people sitting on the grass with flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it's the chorus, D, G or G5. I'm going to go for G5 now because this is a rock song. G5 sounds great. And then back to the riff just twice. D, G. And that is everything that we're going to go for in this video. Let's have another go at putting all that back together. I'll be playing this about 75% speed, which you can do by playing this song. We'll embed the YouTube video below. Just slow down the original recording on YouTube, hit the cog, hit the settings, slow it down to about 75% speed, and you should be able to play along to it. 100% speed, it might be too difficult at this stage. We just have to kind of admit that, but try and play along to the original recording where possible, because it helps your timing and it helps you to know where you are in the song, because you're hearing the cues from the lyrics and the rest of the song, the drums and things. But let's have a go at just playing this just along to me now. This is a wicked song. Let's learn some Led Zeppelin, guys. Come on, how good's that? We've got 8 rounds of this riff. Let's start off with that. In 1, in 2, in 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4. A chords. Walking in the park just the other day, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crowds of people sitting on the grass with flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. D chord, G, riff twice. Riff 4 times. And that is Misty Mountain Hop. That might take a little more time to come together than the other songs we've gone through so far. So add it to your practice routine, and I'll see you in the next video. That's the end of day 5, and that is the last video of this 10-day program that will be on YouTube. But as I mentioned, the full course is available for free at andyguitar.co.uk in glorious 4K, where you can watch this whole course and get some bonus content for free. The link's at the top of the description. I'll also leave it here on screen as well. Let me know how you found this program so far in the comments below, and I really hope to see you over there on the website, where we also have the full band program that I've hinted towards in this course, but also the full comprehensive 9-level beginner electric course to take you from the level you're at now to a grade 2 guitar player, with songs, practice routines, jam tracks, interactive tab, everything you need to master all the basics of electric guitar from the ground up. That is the full 9-level Andy Guitar electric guitar beginners course at andyguitar.co.uk. I hope you'll check it out if you've enjoyed this course, but if nothing else, I'll see you over there. Take care, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.